everyone! So today I'm going to share with you a simple method to learn how to make this cute little polymer clay earring over here, as well as this pair over here. It's so easy, so simple to make, and if you want to learn how to make it, keep on watching. Let's start the video. Choose the color you want to use. For this, I'm using a color that I just mixed with brown. I mix brown, red, and orange together with some white to get this color combination. After you have chosen the colors that you want, take a piece of paper and start rolling it onto the piece of paper. Roll it into a thin snake. Cut it into 2 strips. Okay, so now after you have equal thickness of clay, place them together like a rainbow. You can decide the arch of the rainbow yourself. After that, lightly flatten it with your fingers. Continue with other pieces of clay as well and stack them together to form a rainbow arch. There you have it. One is done. Repeat for the other one as well. Cut the bottom of the clay away and the first pair of earrings is done. Moving on to the second design. Same thing, you need to roll your clay into a thin strip, but this time you need it to be longer and thinner, and you need 2 of it for every color. Fold your clay in half and start twisting it. Remember the direction that you twist your clay, because for the second piece you need to twist it but in another direction. Now you have 2 twisted pieces of clay. Place it together side by side to form a braid. Repeat for other colors as well. After your braids are done, place it side by side to form a knit pattern. Now flatten a piece of white clay for the back of the knit pattern. Make sure there is no air bubble inside the white clay. Place your knit pattern onto the white clay and cut it. I even cut thin strips of white clay for the borders. This gives the earring a more finished look. Lastly, bake your clay according to package instructions. I baked mine for 30 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius. To finish it off, assemble all your clay pieces together. I use super glue to stick the earring backings onto my clay pieces and jump rings to connect it together. And now your polymer clay earrings are done. Hope you enjoy making your own earrings. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Bye bye!